Just like we sometimes think that the politician should be educated, and there must be some criteria for the politician to elect and uh, to contest an election. The same way, I think that we should have a test for getting a voter ID, and that test should include the syllabus of the common things about India, the common people around about India, the tribal people whose population is very low, and those northeast peoples who merely get recognized by a normal Indian, and the tribal people of the Kashmir or the tribal people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. All those really seen people should, and their culture should be included. The overall the whole criteria of the whole exam syllabus should be about knowing about things about India, because the India is an extremely vast country, and knowing everything about it would be so much better. And the person who is going to vote for the politician who will make laws for them, and by this the people who do not care about anything will not study, and so that she or he would not get a voter ID, and their vote would not be counted. And on the other hand, who actually wants to know about India, who actually knows about India, who actually care about India, and who actually want to improve our nation, would be able to get a voter ID, and only those people will have a right to vote and choose their leader. And by this, we will eliminate all the andhbhakts and those people who are just give vote on the name of caste, religion, or anything like that. Um, and one more thing, let me think. Yeah, so the problem is that there are still many people in our country who still cannot read or write. So the exam will be in a oral format, and all the people will take exam in a type of interview type, where the student or the candidate who will wants to get a voter ID should would give answer directly, while the person will ask him. And that's how we can have a better political system, I guess. That's all, I guess. I don't know anything much about this, and I think that I'm not a smart person, but we can have discussion on this. Don't you think this is a valid thing to discuss in the parliament? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I love you. Goodbye. Take care of yourself and improve yourself every day. Bye.